Hello everyone. Today in this video we will take you through a project based on the implementation of a fake news detector system. Talking about the project overview first, the ForceBolt team assisted its client with a module creation used to detect fake or real news headlines used by different websites. Now to tackle the same, we have used bias classifier, which helps us to detect the incoming messages and the input from the users as real or fake news. Building on the latest AI technology, we have also used the multi-nominal NB module of sklearn naive Bayes model. The project requirements were to collect the headlines from news from users and detect whether the news headline is real or fake. Moving on, let's take a closer look on how the fake news detector model works. To check the system, let's take any news headline like I am copying from here. Insert it over here and now let's test the module. Now as you can see, our headline is of 5th August 2022 and the news is classified as real. To confirm, let's test one more. Repeat the same process. As you can see, this is also real one. To test the fake one, I am inserting fake news here. Now you can see that it is showing as fake news over the screen. This is how it shows the results are real or fake. That was all for today's session. Here I am ending this module demo. And if you are looking to hire a full-fledged team of app and web developers who can assist your company in boosting efficiency and productivity, being a leading web development company, ForceBolt is a one-stop destination to cater to all your AI and machine learning and all the front-end and back-end development requirements inclusive of technologies like Node.js, React.js, Angular, Bootstrap, and more. With our team of experts, we offer you a rich experience of technical excellence. Connect with us now.